Hey, listen up. If you're trying to lose weight, snacking is one of the biggest mistakes you're making. You're thinking eating small meals throughout the day keeps your metabolism high? Nope. That's a myth. In fact, snacking is probably the reason you're stuck, feeling bloated, and probably struggling to shed fat. Today, I'm breaking it down into why snacking is keeping you fat and why you keep craving food even when you're not really hungry, and what can you do instead. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at snacking the same way again. First things first, every time you snack, your body releases insulin for storing fat. The more you snack, the more insulin spikes you get. And when insulin is up, fat burning is off. Think of it this way, your body is like a bonfire. If you keep throwing in small pieces of wood, little snacks here and there, the fire really never gets going. But if you let it burn properly by eating full meals and then giving your metabolism a break, it taps into stored fat for energy. And that's how fat loss actually works. But snacking keeps you in fat storing mode all day long. Even if you're eating so-called healthy snacks like nuts, protein bars, or dry fruits, your body doesn't get a break. The fat burning switch never turns on. So if you're constantly reaching for something to munch on between meals, you're basically stopping your own body from burning fat. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I get hungry. I need snacks. No, you don't. What you actually need to do is fix your eating habit. See, the reason you keep craving snacks isn't real hunger. It's a dopamine addiction. Snacks, especially processed foods, are designed to be addictive. Every time you eat chips, biscuits, or even those so-called healthy granola bars, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel pleasure. The food industry knows this, and that's why snacks are made to be hyper palatable, salty, crunchy, sweet, tasty, savory, all at once. It's an orgasmic explosion on your taste buds going straight to your brain. Even the packaging are very well planned to get your attention. So you keep coming back for more. It's not hunger, it's a habit, it's an addiction. Another reason you feel like snacking all the time, when you eat a high carb, low protein meals, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes a few hours later, making you feel tired and hungry. So you reach for a snack and the cycle repeats. Your body was never meant to eat all day long. Back in the day, humans ate real meals and then went hours or maybe days without food. But how? Today food is available 24/7, and just out of boredom, stress, or just because it's there, we click a button or we go to the supermarket and we get whatever we want. Let's go back in time and imagine you're an early human. After a long day of hunting and gathering, you finally settle down to rest. Suddenly, you feel a craving for food. But was there a food delivery app to get you a meal in 30 minutes? No. Instead, you made and enjoyed your meal when food was available, and when it wasn't, you adapted by suppressing your hunger. Studies show that early humans were mostly lean and fit, a stark contrast to today's lifestyle of instant food gratification. The ability to endure periods of hunger allowed their bodies to optimize metabolism, stay active, and avoid excessive fat storage. Unlike modern times, the food is available at the tap of a button. The survival of ancient humans depended on movement, patience, and mindful eating, factors that played a crucial role in their overall health and longevity. So what happens when you actually stop snacking? Let's break it down. Day 1, you will feel hungry. That's normal. Your body is used to getting constant food, so it's like, hey, where's my snack? Hey, where's my snack? But that's not real hunger. It's your body adjusting. Stay with me. Day 2, your energy starts stabilizing. You stop getting those crazy cravings. You feel clearer, less bloated, and more in control. Day 3, your metabolism now shifts into fat burning mode. Just 3 days, your body finally starts using stored fat for energy instead of depending on constant snacking food intakes. You'll realize you didn't need snacks at all, and if you do this for a week, you'll begin to notice flatter bellies, weight loss, more energy, and many more fewer cravings. Your body will adapt. The best part, your meals will keep you full for longer, and you'll stop thinking about food every 2 hours. So now, you're probably wondering, what do I do instead of snacking? What if I get hungry? Here's the fix. First, eat real meals. Stop nibbling throughout the day and actually sit down for a proper, nutrient-dense meal. High protein, high fiber meals will keep you full. Eggs, chicken, paneer, tofu, these will actually satisfy you. Second, hydrate. A lot of the time, you're not even hungry. You're just dehydrated. Next time you feel like snacking, drink a glass of water. Wait 10 minutes and you'll be shocked at how often your hunger disappears. Third, fix your sleep, fix your sleep, fix your sleep. No, there was no break in signal. I said it 3 times. Poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones, makes you crave snacks the next day. Research has shown if you're sleeping only 5 to 6 hours, the next day you're gonna ask for 300 to 900 calories more. And of course, you're now gonna feel like munching all day. So fix your sleep, you will fix your cravings, your snacking will go down, fat burning will start. So alright, here's the deal. Give yourself 3 days without snacks and see what happens. You'll feel better, you'll have more energy, and best of all, you'll start burning fat instead of storing it. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below and type I am in if you're taking the no snacking challenge. Let's do this together. And don't forget, hit the snacking button. Sorry, hit the subscribe button. And one more thing, I made a beautiful PDF of the things you should do next time you crave snacks. It's in the link description below. And for all of you stuck around for so long, if you want to know more about what scientific ways you could lose weight, I've made another video. Go watch it.